Welcome back, guys! Today I'm going to show you a delicious gluten-free peanut butter brownie recipe, so stay tuned. For the recipe, you'll need 3/4 cup of almond flour, half a cup of brown rice flour, half a cup of white rice flour, half a cup of raw sugar, 1/3 cup of high-quality packed cocoa powder, 4 ounces of organic unsweetened applesauce, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of aluminum-free baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a dash of salt, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and some water. Alrighty guys, so I have combined all the dry ingredients together in a glass bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and combine it all together. Okay, so all the dry ingredients have been incorporated all together. We're gonna go ahead and now add our wet ingredients. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Go ahead and add the vanilla extract, the oil, and then the egg. Next I'm going to add the applesauce. And let's go ahead and combine all of these ingredients together. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the water slowly. I'm starting off with 1 cup and we'll see how much we need. Alrighty guys, so all the ingredients have been thoroughly incorporated and the batter is perfect consistency. You can see that it kind of drops off the fork. So you want it to be about this thickness. And I ended up using about half a cup of water. I started off with 1 cup and only used half of it. Alrighty guys, so now we can go ahead and place the batter into our parchment lined baking pan. Alrighty guys, so the next step is completely optional, but I love peanut butter and I love chocolate, and together I think they are beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and dollop a little bit of peanut butter on top of these brownies before I go ahead and bake them. So I'll show you how I like to do it. So I just take a tablespoon of peanut butter and take a butter knife and just kind of dollop it on each side, and then I just like taking it and kind of just spreading it apart. Alrighty, so the peanut butter has been incorporated into the brownies. You don't see it, but inside it's going to be a delicious peanut butter gooiness. So we can go ahead and place our pan into a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, and then I will show you what it looks like. Alrighty guys, so the brownies have baked and they have actually cooled for about 2 hours, so we're going to take it out and let's see how they look. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them in little pieces and we will see how they turned out. Alrighty guys, so the brownies look perfect. You can see that they're completely done. And you can see some of the peanut butter inside of it. And I'm gonna go ahead and try one. Of course, I'm gonna go for the middle one. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I have to be honest, they are delicious. You can see, I'm going to show you that it's perfectly done and it's fudgy, but it's also a little chewy, and I love the hint of peanut butter inside of it. Definitely use high quality cocoa powder. It makes a huge difference.